How to download a YouTube video. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily download a YouTube video so that you can watch it later even when you're offline. First thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your web browser and go to youtube.com. Once you head over to YouTube, make sure that you are logged into your account. Then all you have to do is simply go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now, you are going to have to open your YouTube Studio first. So if you want to download your own video, it's quite easy. You can go to your YouTube video, go to content, and then from there, you can select any content you want to download. Click on the three dots, and then you have the download settings. Click on this option download, and it's going to start downloading the video right away. This right here, you can download it on your camera roll. However, if you want to download other people's video, you can only do that in the YouTube library. You cannot actually download it to your camera roll because that's not available. So what you can do is, I'm going to show you guys. Let's say if I want to download this video, you could just go ahead and click on this and click on the download option. And once you click on it, select your quality and then click on download. What it's going to do is it's going to start the download, and you can find it on your playlists or watch later. So you can just go ahead and click on the downloads option here. You'll find the downloads video, and it's going to be here for 30 days. So you can access this anytime you want, even when you're offline from your phone or your laptop or wherever you are. You can easily access this for 30 days, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.